For homeowners in Palmetto Bay, maintaining a comfortable indoor environment while keeping energy costs under control can be a challenge. South Florida's warm climate, high humidity, and strong sunlight mean homes work harder to stay cool year-round. One often overlooked way to improve energy efficiency is replacing old, outdated doors with modern, well-insulated options. Upgrading your doors can significantly reduce energy loss, improve comfort, and lower monthly utility bills. Reducing air leaks and drafts. Older doors often develop gaps around the frame due to wear, shifting foundations, or aging materials. Even small openings can allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor heat to enter. This forces your air conditioning system to run longer and more frequently to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Modern replacement doors are designed with tighter seals and advanced weather stripping that prevent air leaks. When properly installed, these doors create a barrier that helps keep cool air inside and hot, humid air outside. Over time, this improvement can noticeably reduce the strain on your HVAC system. Better insulation. For South Florida's climate, many older doors, especially hollow-core wood or thin metal models, provide minimal insulation. In a climate like Palmetto Bay's, where temperatures and humidity remain high most of the year, poor insulation can lead to constant heat transfer between the outdoors and your living space. Today's energy-efficient doors are built with insulated cores made from materials such as polyurethane foam or fiberglass. These materials significantly reduce heat transfer, helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures. With better insulation, your air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard, which can lead to lower energy consumption. Improved sealing technology. New doors feature advanced sealing systems that go beyond traditional weather stripping. Many include multi-point locking mechanisms and compression seals that create a tighter fit when the door is closed. These systems improve energy efficiency while also enhancing security and durability. For homes in Palmetto Bay, improved sealing also helps keep out humidity and moisture, two factors that can make indoor spaces feel warmer and less comfortable. By blocking humid air from entering your home, energy-efficient doors help maintain a cooler, drier indoor environment. Lower utility bills. Over time, energy loss through poorly sealed doors can significantly increase cooling costs. When air escapes through gaps or poorly insulated materials, your air conditioner must compensate by running longer cycles. Replacing an old door with a modern energy-efficient model can help reduce this energy waste. While the savings vary depending on the home and door type, many homeowners notice lower monthly electricity bills after upgrading. Over time, the energy savings can help offset the initial investment in a new door. Enhanced comfort throughout the home. Energy efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's also about improving everyday comfort. Homes with older doors often experience temperature inconsistencies, especially in rooms near exterior entrances. A properly insulated replacement door helps stabilize indoor temperatures. This means fewer hot spots, less humidity infiltration, and a more comfortable living environment throughout your home. In a place like Palmetto Bay, where cooling is essential for comfort, these improvements can make a noticeable difference. Increased durability and performance. Older doors exposed to Florida's heat, moisture, and storms can warp, crack, or deteriorate over time. Damaged doors are more likely to develop air leaks that reduce energy efficiency. Modern replacement doors are designed with durable materials that resist warping, swelling, and weather damage. Fiberglass and insulated steel doors, for example, offer strong resistance to humidity and temperature changes. Their durability helps maintain a tight seal and consistent performance for many years. A smart upgrade for Palmetto Bay homes. Replacing old doors is a simple upgrade that can deliver long-term energy benefits. By reducing air leaks, improving insulation, and helping your cooling system work more efficiently, new doors contribute to lower energy use and greater comfort. For homeowners in Palmetto Bay looking to make their homes more efficient, secure, and comfortable, upgrading outdated doors is a practical step that delivers lasting value. With modern designs and advanced materials, today's energy-efficient doors provide both performance and style while helping your home stay cool in South Florida's demanding climate.